Hi all, in this session, let's see how to develop a Spring Boot application using Eclipse IDE. Okay, so for that, I will go to any of the browser and I will install this Eclipse IDE. You type here Eclipse and go to this Eclipse org official ID, and here you see one download folder, right? Just click on download and it will redirect here. You see this is for Windows, just click on download, and here if you will click on download, it will start downloading. Okay, already actually it will take 4 to 5 minutes to download this file, and already I have downloaded this Eclipse. Okay, after downloaded this successfully, you just double click it, and it will ask you to install the Eclipse. Okay, so then you click on install, it will install successfully. Here it will ask what kind of project you are going to develop. I am going to develop this Java project, so select this first option, and here if you click on install, it will be installed, and it is asking the path and all. Let it be the default path of this, so you click on install, so it will be installed successfully. It will take 2-3 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so it depends upon your processor speed. Okay, so I have already installed this. Okay, so after installing successfully, you open this Eclipse. Okay, so it will open and it will ask you to choose your workspace, default workspace it will take. If you wanted to change that, you can change it, and so it will be open like this. So what you need to do, how to create, okay, Eclipse installation is done. How to create the Spring Boot application? So instead of creating here, this is the traditional way. What you will do, you will come in the browser and you will type like Spring Initializr. So there is a link provided by Spring Boot people, so you can click that first link. Okay, so they are using this graphical user interface. You can choose your light or dark, whatever you like. So here you can choose the Spring Boot application, all the information, like you are going to develop this Java Spring Boot application. Spring Boot is supporting not only Java, supported other language like Kotlin and Groovy. So I need to create a Java Spring Boot application, so I selected Java, and we need a Maven project, so build will be Maven. We don't need Gradle project. Okay, so better to choose a here the Spring Boot version. So don't choose any snapshot or milestone which is under development. Better to choose this 3.2.2. Okay, already stable version. Okay, so you can change this group ID or artifact ID or project name, whatever you like. So let it be, it is a jar file, and choose your Java version. I am using Java 17, so I choose Java 17. Then click on generate. Sorry, you can you can you can click on add dependencies. Okay, so whatever the dependencies you want, you can add here. Let me. I need this Spring Web, so I added one of the dependencies. Then click on this generate project. Okay, so one project is generating, so I am deleting here. So without adding the dependencies, I click on generate. So now I have added these dependencies. Now I will click on generate project. So it will be download that project. Okay, once the project will be downloaded successfully, so what you need to do, you see this is a zip folder, right? You need to extract it, and that extracted folder you need to import here. Okay, if you import successfully, then that is the Spring Boot applications. Actually, you no need to create manually the project here. Okay, so what we did, we went to this Spring Initializr GUI, and here we provided the info and generate the project. That same project we are extracting here. Once it will downloaded, we are extracting here, and we are importing that extracted file to our ID. After importing, we can run the applications. Okay, I will show you. Wait for downloading successfully. Okay, it is still downloading. Wait for it. Okay, downloaded successfully. Then we have to extract it. Okay, extract here. So extracted successfully. Now we'll go here, and here there is the import project option. We'll come here and we'll choose Maven. Okay, and you see there is a option called existing Maven project. Choose that existing Maven project, and here browse it. Go to download folder and choose this demo. Then inside this demo there is a demo. So dot, whenever you will get dot mbn, select there, and you should be able to see like this. The jar file should be selected. Okay, correspond pom.jar. Okay, and you need to finish it. So you see after that it will index. Okay, that is imported successfully. You see the structure already created by this that Spring Initializr. Okay, you see the application, main application, it is created. Okay, you can add one sysout statement. Okay, and you can right click, run as Spring Boot applications. You see here there is no option of run as Spring Boot application. You can run plain Java applications. Okay, in STS you will get that option. Okay, so you see it is trying to run, but we got a error like application failed to start. Why? Because this, it is running in the default port 8080, but this 8080 already used by some other applications, so that's what it is failing. So what I will do, I can change that port number. Okay, there is a application.properties file in this folder. Come here and you add server dot port equal to 8085 something you can give. So now come here and rerun the application. You see, now the application is running successfully, and the line we wrote, right, welcome to the Spring Boot application, it is showing. And you see it is run with Tomcat. Tomcat is the embedded server with the 8085 port whatever we given, and Java 17 is using, and you see application started successfully. So that's all about this session. I showed you how to develop the Spring Boot application using this Eclipse IDE. Okay, if you really got something in this session, please like this video and comment. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel to get new videos like this. It will be really helpful to learn the Spring Boot and crack any of the interview. Okay, and also it will be motivate me to create some more videos for you. Thank you. Let's meet in a new videos.